Okay, I am taking a video of my friend, my cousin, and he's gonna burp in a dog's face. Ready? And drink his Pepsi. Yep. We did do a video where, like, oh my gosh. Do a bigger one, do a bigger one, do a bigger one. That's enough. Sorry, I just can't help it. Oh, it's so funny. So is Bobby. Yeah, no, it stinks. It's my little dog Mello. His name is Mello. He is 4 years old, and he is really nice. He's just trying to go to sleep, but this guy keeps on burping in his face. Sorry. We are gonna make, we made this video called "Baby Trying to Act Cool," and if you want to check it out, you can. Comment or subscribe or like it. If you don't like it, still like it and subscribe or something. And we are gonna make a Baby Trying to Act Cool too, part 2, and yeah, bye. We'll see you. We are probably gonna make that probably Wednesday. Yeah, we're gonna start making videos on Wednesdays. Okay, bye.